Hello everyone, in this video I am gonna show you how to insert a graph and then edit the data in PowerPoint. So at the first we have to go to the insert tab and then select chart. Now from the list select the type of graph which you want to insert your slide. Here you will find lots of graphs such as column, line, pie, bar, surface and so on. For this tutorial I will use a column 3D cluster graph. Now I want to change the name is chart cluster on the table as follow. Now on the top set your own agenda such as I will type Q1, Q2 and Q3. Now I will change the values. You can see when we change the values, the chart range adjusts accordingly. Now close the table. Under the design tab, you can also change the graph style as well as. If you want to modify the chart, then select on this chart and right click and then click on change chart type. If you want to modify the data, then click on edit data. Hope so this small video help you lot. Keep learning. Have a nice day.